Okay, we finally have a 60 to 80 degree day, and I've been wanting to move this sprinkler head about 25 feet over to this direction here. So I got to cut a trench about 25 feet over to that direction, and it's not going to be easy. So this is how far I'm going to have to go. It's approximately 25 feet. So I have to make a trench in there, and I'm going to use tarps and plastic to hold the pieces of sod as I cut it out. This is Floritan grass. Okay, I got my Ryobi edgy here. I figured I'd try to make a cut into the grass with that at first. I also have my saw here with a blade that I don't care about. I see somebody on YouTube that used this type of saw to cut the grass before they pulled it out. I also have a trench shovel, which I really like. It works really well, and we're going to try to just cut into the grass at first. Okay, you should be able to see, like, I cut about a 6-inch swab of the sod using the reciprocating saw, and now I'm going to try to lift up the sod pieces with a shovel. I don't know how good that's going to work, but we'll find out. Try to just lift it. There is some roots under here. It may make it a little difficult at some spots. Definitely doesn't look like it's going to come up in one piece. There's something hard right there. I'll probably just do this on one side and then on the other side. Just try to lift it out. The trencher shovel I have will be able to do a lot of the work after this. That's the hard part right there. This ain't working good over here. stuff right here. Let's get easier. Then I'll go on the other side. Hoping I can put these plugs back in there during the game, but I don't know. It's easier on this side. Some of these are in there good. I think breaking it up with the edger helped. We'll cut. Okay, that trench took about a half hour, 25 feet. I'm going to use my shovel now, my trenching shovel, and go deep. If you don't have a trenching shovel, you need one. These things are amazing. You could make a slot in the ground pretty easily with these things. I don't think I have to go down very deep, maybe 8 inches or so. All right, we got the trench. It's about 8 inches down, maybe less, but it's enough to get the pipe in there now. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is get that sprinkler head out and get a 90-degree on there and a pipe so that I can push this water out the other direction. All right, I got it in. I put a T on where the original one is so I could add to it if I had to later. Basically for some soaker, sprinkler kind of things for like a bed. If I ever want to come back, I can put it on there. And here's what I got so far. It took me about an hour. And I'm going to cut this and put the sprinkler head here. I'm going to use a pretty tall sprinkler. So this is the sprinkler I'm going to use. It's got a 15-foot range, 8 to 15 foot, and it's 0 to 360. And I used my tape measure, and I got about 13 feet that I want to cover, so it should do well there. I'm also going to put a T on the end of this one like I did the other one, so I could put a soaker hose on it if I had to. Alright, for this hard plastic to go onto this kind of soft plastic, I'm going to use some Teflon tape. So in the end it looks something like this. And we'll put it on that black pipe there.